Welcome to the 4 months of celebrating Rann's glory. The Rann of Kutch changes its form dramatically every season. However, it looks the most magnificent in the winter. A sensational salt marsh with a sparkling panorama of widespread across the horizon makes for a magical sight to behold. Hence, the Rann Utsav is organized exclusively in the winters to celebrate the Rann in its full glory. Rann Utsav was an initiative driven by the Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited (TCGL) to bring the White Rann experience to the world in 2005. What began as a 3-day festival progressively evolved into a 100-day celebration at Dhordo, a village near Rann of Kutch. Since then, this celebration has witnessed 50,000 travelers from across the globe. The onus of making the White Rann experience wholesome for these travelers have been taken up by Rann Utsav, the tent city. Rann Utsav, the tent city, gives travelers an opportunity to stay at luxurious tents with best-in-class hospitality while in the lap of nature and wake up to the tranquility of the sunrise at the White Desert, making it a glamorous camping experience. Spread across the area of 5 lakh square meters, Rann Utsav, the tent city, houses more than 350 luxurious tents to relax in. Rann Utsav is a beautiful amalgamation of celebrating nature's treasures and humans' labor of love. This is an experience to cherish for a lifetime.